Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play session in Cricket Line Gyuru. Cricket sessions are distinct segments of a match, such as the initial 6 overs or a block of 10 overs. These sessions offer a dynamic way to engage with the game, focusing on short-term outcomes rather than the overall match result. Cricket Line Gyuru serves as an excellent tool, providing crucial real-time information to help you understand and analyze these exciting match periods. Session predictions cover various aspects of the game. You might predict the total runs a team will score in the first 10 overs, for example, if they will reach over 75 runs. Another popular option is predicting if a wicket will fall within a set number of overs. You can also forecast the runs scored in a single over, offering a quick and exciting prediction opportunity. Cricket Line Gyuru is your go-to for essential data. The app provides live ball-by-ball commentary and incredibly fast scores, often quicker than television broadcasts. You can delve into detailed player statistics, analyze team form, and check historical performance. Additionally, access pitch reports and weather updates, which are vital for understanding how conditions might influence scoring rates and wicket-taking opportunities during a session. To play sessions strategically, combine the live match flow with the app's historical data. Watch for player momentum, tactical shifts, and how the pitch is playing. For instance, if a team typically scores 45 runs in their first 5 overs, use that insight. Focus on specific sessions you have researched thoroughly, aiming for well-informed decisions rather than impulsive ones, enhancing your overall engagement with the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.